Buyback prices, they're going up at some dealerships, but not as much as sale prices. Why is that?
That's where it's getting interesting because when, say for example, the Maple Leaf example before, say it's going up to $6 now, and say that typically we'll be buying back a Maple Leaf at 50 cents above spot. So the question people will have, if now the Maple Leaf is at $6 and you keep that spread, for us bullion dealers the same, then you should be buying back Maple Leaf at maybe $4.50 or $5. But we're only buying it back at $3. Why? Now, if you're in a bullion dealer's shoes, you have to realize that the problem is if you're getting a very large sellback order, say you're getting somebody selling back $10 million worth of Maple Leafs, and you only have, say, $4 million on hand for cash to sell it back, it's normally not a problem because you just call up your distributor and you lock in the price with them. And things are being taken care of. But the problem is that the distributors, as far as I've seen so far, they have not increased the buyback price. So they're still buying back the Maple Leaf at, say, 50 cents above spot, not at $5 above spot. So we have to be careful that you, as a bullion dealer, you can't really raise it unilaterally too high without exposing yourself to too many people selling back to you in one go, and then not being able to sell it to somebody else because they're not willing to pay that amount yet. And I'm saying yet because I'm of the opinion that the industry should be moving towards higher buyback prices, and we should sort of distancing ourselves a little bit from the paper prices in order to reflect local demand more. Because if it costs so much to get the Maple Leaf, we should also be able to buy back around that price. And I think our narrative has always been that in a time of crisis, it is important where you have to have the physical metal, because there will be a separate price for physical and a separate price for paper. And that's what we're seeing right now. And I believe that the longer this crisis will last, the more we will see that discrepancy increase and the more pronounced it will become. And if this crisis is going to be long enough, we might finally start seeing two different prices. And we might be starting to see comics and so on having a lot of problems because they won't be able to deliver.